Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore missing campaigns in Google Ads using Activity Log, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore missing campaigns in Google Ads, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the interface. Click on the Tools icon, which represents the Settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Change History under the Setup section. In the Change History section, you will see a detailed log of all recent changes made in your account. To filter the activity log, look for the date range option at the top of the page. Choose the relevant date range during which the campaign was deleted or modified. Once the appropriate date range is set, review the list of changes. Look for entries related to campaigns that may have been removed. You might find entries indicating campaign removed or campaign paused. Note the names of the campaigns that match your requirements. Next, head back to the main dashboard of your Google Ads account. Look for the Campaigns tab on the left side navigation panel. Click on the Campaigns tab to view all active and inactive campaigns. To restore an inactive campaign, locate the status column. If the campaign is paused, you can simply select it. Click on the pencil icon or the Edit button. From the drop-down menu, choose Enable to restore the campaign. In case the campaign is deleted, you'll need to create a new campaign. Use the information from the activity log to recreate your campaign accurately. Follow the prompts to set up your campaign as required. Fill in all necessary details including budget, targeting, and ad content. Once the campaign settings are configured, review everything carefully. Finally, click the Save button to activate your newly recreated campaign. Your campaign should now be restored and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.